Today I'm going to make Tom Yum Goong. It's probably the most internationally famous Thai soup. There are several styles, but today we will make Tom Yum Goong Nam Kon, which is the red color, hot and sour Tom Yum soup with shrimps. It's crazy tasty, but easy to make. Let's go souping! If you want to learn how to make more authentic Thai recipes, click the subscribe button and the little bell to get a note of new recipes videos from me. Tom Yum is a style of soup made with lemongrass, galangal, and coffee lime leaves. It is a type of hot and sour soup. But trust me, it tastes great. There are two major styles, Nam Sai, which is the clear soup, and Nam Kon, using the chili paste, which makes it a red colored soup. To confuse you more, there are two versions of Nam Kon. One added milk, and the other without milk. Enough of me talking, let's go make it.
This is coriander, palm sugar, chili, lime, lemongrass, shallot, fish sauce, chili paste. Wow, look at those. Big prawns, galangal, coffee lime leaf, straw mushrooms.
You can use the chicken stock or you can use plain water for making Tom Yum Goong soup. But I prefer to use the prawn head. To make the stock, you need the prawn head, water, and the large pinch of sea salt, or you can use the normal salt. Boil it up and then simmering for about 10 to 15 minutes. And that's it. You got the stock for Tom Yum Goong. Alternatively, you can just use the head from the prawns that you're going to cook and boil it with water before you do Tom Yum Goong. We need 1 cup of shrimp stock for this recipe. You can see the orange color. That is the shrimp fat, 1 cup of shrimp stock. Straw mushroom, you need to cut it in 4. If you cannot get the straw mushroom, you can use any mushroom for this dish. It doesn't matter. The taste will come out different. Quite often that people use the button mushroom for Tom Yum Goong. This one I pick it up from my garden. It's fresh and young. So I will slice it up and put it in a Tom Yum Goong. Then you can eat it. And this one is quite old. I will use it for make a stock. Once you cannot see the purple color anymore, it's time to stop cutting. And then you can keep the end and crush it first and then put it in the stock. Coriander root has a lot of taste and we will put it in the stock as well. But before you put it in, you need to crush the root and allow the aromatic from coriander root come out. You need to crush it and keep like that. And then put it in stock. Galangal. This one is the young one. because it's got pink color here, and this one is the old one, and we not want to eat the old one. It's hard. This one for stock. Coffee lime leaf. You can just tear it up and take the middle bit out here. You can just put it in Tom Yum Goong like that, or you can julienne it. Shallot. Crush it before you put it in soup. Chili. Cream stock, making tom yum soup. Start heating that up. This is how to devein the prawn easily and how to get the shell off. Just go to the second segment. 1, 2. And use toothpick. Poke it in there. This is nice and clean. 1.5 cup of stock. Mushroom. Shallots, gangao and lemongrass, chili. So the mushroom doesn't have to cook it too long, otherwise it's go too soft and not nice. Shrimps. I leave the tail in there because it's easy to eat and pick it up. And the shrimps, it take a little short time to cook. Chili paste make it different between Tom Yum Nam Sai and Tom Yum Nam Kon. And chili paste give you sweet and spicy, a little bit spicy. Chili paste. For the chili paste, you can add it bit by bit and taste it with, as you like the spiciness to be. So, I think our soup is already done. I will turn the heat off and then season with fish sauce and lime juice and palm sugar. Don't put all the fish sauce in at once. You need to add it bit by bit and taste it first because the fish sauce is salty umami flavor. And sugar. Same with the sugar. Add a little bit first. And the lime juice, we use the same amount with the fish sauce or a little bit more or less than the fish sauce. Now for the tasting, it's very important bit to get the taste right. Need more lime juice. Final taste. Perfect. Let's serve it out.